Hello, welcome to AutoCAD Data and my name is Hitesh Chaudhary. In the previous tutorial videos, we had learned how to use default available AutoCAD templates, how to set units and limits, and how to use pan and zoom command. The link for the videos can be seen in the top right corner of your screen. In this video, we will be learning line and polyline commands which will get us started with drawing. The notes for this video are also provided in the description below and can be accessed for free. Before we start, please do not forget to click the subscribe button and press the bell icon to receive instant notification for new videos in this basic AutoCAD training series. So without wasting any time, let's get started. Firstly, let us have a look at the line command. As the name suggests, it is used to draw lines and it is the most basic command in AutoCAD. We can access this command in two different ways. Firstly, by selecting the line tool, the draw palette under ribbon panel over here, or we can just type line in the command window and press enter, or else we can just type L and press enter. Before we proceed, kindly note that we can also press spacebar instead of enter, as enter key and the spacebar key both works as same in AutoCAD. Now, when our command gets activated, it will ask us to specify the first point, which we can see in the command window. We can specify our point in two different ways. Firstly, we can provide the x and y coordinate of the point in space using our Cartesian coordinate system, or secondly, we can just directly use our mouse to specify the point in space. So we'll say, let us start our line from the point, say 5, 2, and we'll press enter. As we can see that it has picked up the first point 5, 2. Now, after we have provided the first point from where the line will be starting, it will then ask us the next point till which the line will be drawn. We can input again the next point in the same way as we did for the first point. Now let us directly pick up the point in space using the mouse. So I'll just click over here. Now as we can see, it has drawn a line between these 2 points. We can keep on specifying the we can just keep on specifying the points, and the AutoCAD will keep on drawing the line. This keeps on repeating infinitely. Just to exit, we can press enter key, or we can just press the escape key. Next, let us have a look at the polyline command. This command is almost similar to the line command, and for accessing this command we have two different ways. Firstly, we can select the polyline tool under this draw palette in the ribbon panel, or we can just type polyline in the command window, or we can type P line and press enter, or we can type PL and press enter. Once our command gets activated, we will be asked to specify the first point, which we can input in two different ways as we did for the line command. So let us select first point in space. After providing the input for the first point, we will be asked for the second point, and we can select similarly the second point. This keeps on repeating, which we had seen similarly in the line command. Now kindly note that it gives us 6 different options here while asking for our next point. So we'll have a look at these options in our later videos. Now to exit for the command, we can just press the enter key or the escape key. Now we might wonder what's the difference between line and polyline command, as they both look same, for which we can see these two different objects that has been drawn using line and polyline command on your screen. If I select any one line from the first object, then only that line will get selected, and from the second object, if I select any one line, then the whole object will be selected, which means the line acts as an individual while polyline acts as a single object made out of multiple lines connected end to end. There are other differences also which we will learn in the later videos, like the width of the polyline can be changed. You can also curve your polyline and make arc out of it. Let us have a quick recap of whatever we have learned in this video. Firstly, we have seen the line command, which is the most basic command in AutoCAD, and it is used to draw lines. It can be accessed in two different ways. Firstly, we can click on line tool available in the ribbon panel under draw palette. And secondly, we can type line in the command window and press enter, or we can just simply type L and press enter. Once our command is activated, it will ask us to specify the first point as seen in the image on the screen. We can input this point in two different ways. Firstly, by using the Cartesian coordinate system, that is by specifying the point in X and Y format, or by directly selecting the point in space using our mouse. Once we have specified the first point, it will then ask us to specify the next point till which the line will be drawn, and this keeps on repeating unless we press enter or escape key to exit from the command. Next, we have seen the polyline command, which is almost similar to the line command, and again this command can be accessed in two different ways. We can access it from the polyline tool in the ribbon panel under draw palette as seen in the image, or we can type polyline in the command window and press enter, or we can simply type pline or pl and press enter. Once our command is activated, it will ask us to specify the first point as we can see in the image. After specifying the first point, it will then ask us to specify the next point. There are other options that it gives, which we will see in the later videos. To exit from the command, we can just press enter or escape key. This is a chart which explains the basic difference between the line and polyline command. So for selecting the object in line command, we have to select multiple objects, while for selecting the entire object in polyline command, we can just click on any single line and the entire objects will get selected, from which we can understand that the polyline are stitched together, or we can say connected together end to end. There are other differences also which we will see in the later upcoming videos, like you can change the width of the line and you can curve your polyline and convert it into arc. Please do provide a thumbs up to this video if you have liked the tutorial. Also, please share it with your friends. You can also have a look at the other tutorial videos appearing on your screen. And as always, thanks for watching.